Everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Mark Days. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're going to be unboxing the Mac Studio. This is the M3 Ultra chip with 96 gigabytes of RAM and a 1TB SSD for storage. So I'm very excited about this. Right now I'm working on a late 2019 iMac 27-inch. It was the top spec at the time. I spec'd out the RAM to 128 gigabytes of RAM. It had a 1TB SSD, and it was the top of the line i9 Intel chip at the time. Now we are moving on up to the Mac Studio. It is just painfully slow at this point for what I'm trying to do musically. It just can't handle the workload that I have to put it under and the stress test that it needs to go under on a daily basis. So I had to upgrade. It's not what I wanted to do. I still think it's a very capable unit. I still love it. I'm probably not going to get rid of it. I'll probably repurpose it and use it for something else. But as of right now, for the level of plugins and as many tracks as I need, and all of the DSPs and VSTs and AAXs and whatever else you want to call it, it's just not doing the job right now. So as you can see, Apple's presentation is it's pretty lackluster, to tell you the truth. The unboxing experience is just two items. It comes with nothing except the Mac Studio and the plug, and you would think for $4,000 plus that you would at least get a keyboard or a mouse or something. I get it, it can't fit in the box, but something, coupon code, a voucher, something. But no, Apple said, I want all the money. And what I'm dealing with is just this beautiful Mac Studio right here. Now, I will say this is my dream computer. This is like the holy grail of computers for me. I've been wanting this a very long time. I was working on the iMac, like I said. I spec'd it out. I put the RAM to the max capacity of 128 gigs, which was allowed in that particular machine at the time. And unfortunately, you know, with upgrades to the softwares and updates and the introduction of Apple Silicon, Intel is just kind of a thing of the past for Apple. So as you can see, we have 4 Thunderbolt 5 ports, I believe it's a 10 gigabit Ethernet connection. You got your power supply, USB-A's, 2 of those, and HDMI, and a headphone jack, a couple of Thunderbolt ports on the front as well. Listen, and an SD card reader on the front, by the way. Apple knows one thing, and they know how to make something aesthetically pleasing. This is a beautiful machine, and I'm gonna be pushing this thing to the max in Pro Tools and Logic, with producing and composing with my hybrid style. And even in Pro Tools, producing and composing in Pro Tools as well. So we're gonna plug it on in here. We're gonna listen for that Mac chime when it gets turned on. That beautiful Mac chime. I think that was it. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. The Mac Studio's in the building, the M3 Ultra. I got the last one in my region, and I'm exceptionally happy to push it to the test. So let's go. God bless.